Hi, this is Alex. I'll be explaining quiz 5, question 4. In question 4, we're asked to find the speed of the vehicle that's moving towards the horn. Um, well, we know that would be the difference in the two before and after uh, in the two sound wave or sound wave travel speed, which is v1 and v2, and the difference of that would be the moving vehicle. So we know v1 because at 33 degrees Celsius, which is this number, 354.34926. Oh, by the way, this should really be millimeters per second. That's my mistake. I'll address that in the email. So let's back to the topic. We know v1, which is the speed of sound at 33 degrees Celsius. We know the original frequency, which is 10.525 gigahertz. We can find the lambda, the wavelength. From here, you can use the wavelength in this equation to find v2. Because we know that the beat frequency is 5.00858 kilohertz. Well, the wavelength times difference in frequency would be v2, the new wave speed, and the difference between these two would be the vehicle's traveling speed, which is 1.68 e minus 4 meters per second. In millimeters per second would be 1.68 e minus 1 milli. I believe it's 1,000. So 3, 10 to the third. Okay, I'll adjust that in the email.